This is the Make a Budget activity from the pages 28 and 29 in Do I Need It or Do I Want It? Make a budget. You can make your own budget. First, decide if you want to budget for a day, a week, or a month. Write the dates you'd like to budget for on the top of a sheet of paper. Next, write down your income. This could include an allowance, money you earned by doing dishes, or money you got as a gift. Add your income together to get a total. Then list your expenses. Expenses might be movie tickets, money you gave to help others, or money you put in a savings account. Add your expenses together to get a total. Finally, subtract your expenses total from your income total. The amount you end up with is how much you have left over to save or spend. Here you can see the title, my budget, the dates, income, this person gets $4 from an allowance, $2 earnings for cleaning the garage, $3 for a gift from grandpa. And they added this up and got a total of $9. The expenses are in the savings account. They put $4.50 into their savings account. They made a donation to an animal shelter that was $1 and a ticket to fun fair for 50 cents. Then they added this up and they got $6 for expenses. Now they have income total minus expense total, so they took $9 of their income and subtracted the $6 of their expenses, and they found out they have $3 left over to save or spend.